Hi, my name is Hilda Madrigal. I am fourth semester student in accounting program. I am studying at CONALEP High School in the city of Tamazula in the state of Jalisco, Mexico. Today, I am going to talk about unusual sport in England. Can you imagine feeling like a cartoon mouse rolling over cheese? Well, in England, it is possible. The cheese race is a traditional national sport and very fun. It is consisting of running down a hill chasing a cheese. The first to catch it wins. It is celebrated on the last Monday of May, a public holiday for the British. The master of ceremonies begins each race with the usual paroles of 1. Be prepared. 2. Watch your balance. 3. Set and 4. Run. Anyone can participate. Several races of different categories are held at the Rolling Cheese Festival, depending on gender and age. Up to 5 downhill races and 1 uphill race for children under 12 years of age. Although it seems like a simple sport, it can be considered high risk, since running downhill can cause serious injuries, broken bones, and burns. Despite this, there are hundreds and hundreds of participants who each year try to be the first to capture the cheese.